In this video, we are going to view about Bajaj CT110 BS6 chain kit from IFB brand. It comes under the category of ultra miles. While there are companies like Rollon, diamond these ultra miles chain kit the unrated ones. Even the finishing and the look will be good. The packing is in white color. Seriously, the way it was packed just impressed me. I noticed an important thing that a seal was given to open this chain kit. In no other brand seal is given. Let's unbox and see what's inside. This is suitable for Bajaj CT110 BS6 variants. While unboxing other chain kit, it was normally packed, but here it opens like a pizza box. Really, the packing quality is good. Inside the box, we have a gearbox sprocket, a rear wheel sprocket, and a chain. The chain is lubricated with grease concealed in a cover. All the components are separately packed with a cover. Now we can see in the closure views. In rear wheel sprocket, the brand name IFB is mentioned. This sprocket is in dense black color. On the other side, mentioning ultra miles. No chrome color is available. Back, I'll measure the sprocket thickness. The same is for the Gear BX sprocket. Now measuring the sprocket thickness by using a vernier caliper. The thickness of the rear wheel sprocket is 7.23 millimeters. The thickness of the gearbox sprocket is 7.22 millimeters. At most, the two values are same. In an IFB chain kit, you get these components. Please say us which chain kit can be reviewed in next video. You can purchase this chain kit on our website 2Wheelerspares.com. Thanks for watching. Let's meet again.